Okay, so some of you might be already be finished. Let's finish our last one off here. First equation, we're going to have 3 of them. So I need to get my number line set up. The first one is going to be at x minus 1. The next one is going to be at x plus 7. And that means positive 1 and negative 7 are going to be the values I'm looking for. So for this particular one, it's negative when I'm less than 1. And this should be the regions that I get. So for my first equation, both are negative. So I get this equation. For the second one, x minus 1 is negative. And in the last one, they're both positive. So x minus 1 plus x plus 7 equals to 4. So again, we're not really worried about the inequality. We don't care that this here is a less than. We're looking for where they're equal because that's where the boundary will be between equals and less than. So for the first equation, looks like I have negative 2x. So positive 1 minus 7, so that's negative 6. So equals 10. So one of the candidates is x equals negative 5. Okay, for the next one, the x's will cancel out. I'll end up with 7, so that'll be 8 equals to 4, which of course is not true. So we basically just reject that. We say that one is nonsense. There's no solution to be found in there. Okay. And then the final one, this will be 2x equals negative 2. So x equals negative 1. So these are my candidates, and I just want to quickly check them. So when I put in the value for negative 1, I end up with 2 plus 6, which does not work out. Did I do that too quickly, or is that so it's rejected? Official, it's rejected. Okay. So that does not work because what I'm looking for is it's got to be equal to 4. So let's try at negative 5. At negative 5, negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6, but absolute value will be positive 6. Let's see here, negative 5 plus 7, that's going to be 2, which also equals 8. So that doesn't work either. Have I done this all right so far, or have I made a colossal error? No, we're okay? Okay, so what on earth does that mean if nothing works?
No solution.
Well, what were we finding before? Boundaries. So?
It's not bounded.
So close. Reword it a little. We're looking for boundaries, and what did we find?
No, there is no boundary.
There is no boundary. Right. So for this one, what this means is we have a number line. Pick anything you like. It's going to be the same throughout the entire thing. So either there is, we'll test our answers in a second, but let's just put a number line up. Let's just say we put 0 here, okay? Let's test it at 0. That's easy, okay? So 0, that'll be 1 plus 7. Again, that's 8, right? So it doesn't work. We said there's no boundaries. That only leaves us one region to check. So it doesn't work in this region. So there is no solution at all. There's nowhere that this is going to have a solution that works. Okay. It is possible that we end up with an answer that the entire number line would be shaded because every point would be less than 4. If this one was greater than 4, then that would be the case, that every value on the number line is greater than 4. Okay? So anyways, it's kind of a special case there that we ran into. No boundaries means you just have a number line. I picked 0 because it's an easy one to test. Because 0 tells me it's not one of the solutions, nothing in that region is going to be a solution. Okay, so only one region when there's no boundaries. Any questions or anything else to let us get to it? Okay, so take a look at your homework.